Hi everyone, that's Sag. Say hi, Sag.
Hi.
We in Lowe's getting some wood, trying to build an entertainment unit for the house. It's a lot of, we figure it out as we go, but it's fine. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna load this up. We're gonna put this on the snowboard rack. Bruh. And we're gonna have a fun time. We're gonna load this piece of wood into the ski rack. With just some luck. Well, look at that. Hopefully this thing stays on, it doesn't go anywhere, but we don't have to drive too far, so let's head back to the shop. So we made it back all in one piece. The wood survived the trip, didn't fall off, but again, it wasn't that far anyways. This is what we got so far. 4 pieces of wood, we got a pocket square together for the top and the bottom. I got side pieces of wood here and the other one over there. And this is the top. What? What? Aww. This is one of the sides. Side finished. We didn't film this part, but look at that. It's a little tall, you think? I think once you put the speaker underneath, it'll be fine. The entertainment unit has been sitting for a few weeks now, and I haven't really touched it just because I haven't gotten around to it. So as it stands, it's standing in just the living room. The legs are on. What I have to do is that there's a bunch of these pocket holes that need to be filled. These things. And what I got is these pocket hole plugs. The pocket hole plugs go into the pocket hole. It kind of fills that in. I have to glue them, so I got Gorilla Glue. Yeah, so after all the plugs are filled and the glue has dried, I'm gonna sand and cut off the excess plug that's gonna stick out on some of these. And then once that's done, we're gonna stain it and put a sealer on top, probably polyurethane or something like that. Let me get working on this and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so it's the morning. I sawed off all the pocket holes. So now they're flush, but you can see that we still got gaps where the pocket hole is. It's like that because we used pine for majority of it, and pine is very soft. So when you drill into it, it doesn't keep a nice hole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wood filler and fill in these holes around the pocket. After that, I'm just gonna sit for like 2 to 6 hours, and then ready for stain and finish. We stained it, and we put rub on poly on top. We put 3 coats, and the stain is like a little on the darker side, but looks pretty good. So the whole thing is pretty much ready. Nice finish. Pocket holes are filled, and they filled in nicely. I was a little concerned about the wood filler, if it would actually stain, but it did pretty good. What I have to do is to put the backing. Got this little chalkboard, dry erase board, whatever, fit nicely in the back. Just gotta cut it this size and figure out what I'm gonna do. That's the update on the entertainment unit. And once I put the back on and put the holes for all the cables and whatnot, should be ready to go. I got the pieces cut out for the back. So I decided to do 3 pieces and each have a cutout for like all your cables and wires and whatnot. So what I gotta do is I gotta make these pieces, take these pieces and nail them to the back of the entertainment unit. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm gonna come back and show you pretty much it finished. So there we have it, guys. I just nailed the back piece, the cutouts, and I haven't flipped it over yet, but I think this nail right here came out on the other side. Hi, Kona. She looks good, and she's done. Now let's flip it over. There it is, and the back's in. The nail did come out through the inside, so I had to take that out. So you see one cut out there, the other cut out there. Hey, Kona. But yeah, she looks good. Finally complete. So what I gotta do next is take all this stuff off the old TV stand, move that TV stand away, replace this one, start loading this up with stuff. This is the new, and that's the old. I placed the new stand where it's supposed to be. That's how it looks. There's the TV. Now I just have to figure out all this, the cable management, try to get everything nice and hidden, figure out how I want all the consoles and whatnot laid out in here. I just have to get the whole wiring situation figured out. And once I get the wiring situation figured out, then I can have all the consoles in there. I want everything like behind the back here, but I don't want it too far away from the wall. Just, you know, the plugs of everything are just kind of, they just protrude out. So I'm gonna figure that out. There we have it, guys. It is all connected. It's all laid out. PS2, PS4, Xbox 360, the Switch, soundbar, and the Apple TV. I need to get a piece cable runner for there. There's no wires showing on the bottom. The only wire that you see there is for the speaker on the bottom. It works, it looks good. What do you guys think? Now I still have to figure out what I want to put in this little cubby here. But I have a whole bunch of old games, movies, CDs. I still need to figure out the controller situation, what I'm gonna do with the controllers, and the Magic Mic. We like karaoke over here. I also have these DDR pads. Gotta figure out where to put those. She's all set. She looks good. I'm happy about the outcome. And now we have a stand that's angled to match the angle of the TV. And I like how it turned out. That completes this construction build. So after a while of designing, building it, putting everything together, staining it, finishing it, I think it came out pretty good. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.